Move. Ito na, ball B5. Equals to Pasili, 10 minutes. Ayan na, Pasili, magdadala ng bola, pasa kay Rashid. Rashid, pasa kay JC. JC, gumagawa ng play. Rebound by Kilo. Kilo. Passes to Morente. Ayan na, magtulong sa underdogs. Andito lang natin. Morente. 2 points. No good. Rebound by Nilo. Nilo again. Rebound ulit. Rebound na ni Yoch. Kuha na ni Yoch. Yan. Natuloy. Ng underdogs. Kasi nag-isip Munira. Wala ball na ang tinamaan. Na-steal ni Yoch. Yoch ito steal. Yoch passes to JC. JC. No good. Ayun na. Tinatakbo ni Morente. Passes to Cornell. 2 points. Easy up now. Easy na wala kang bola. Itinobol mo na para pumasok na si Salos. Post court kay Pangaliban, ball 3, wala din, kulang sa webot ng mga to. Ayun ang Morente, ang bilis-bilis. Layup, 2 points, substitution. Ay, walang technical. Delaying na game. Ayun, pasok na kayo ng sa
technical free throw.
Layup. Pasige, pasa kay JC na isip. Na-steal, De La Cruz, pasa kay Corneo, libre, 2 points kasi wala. Foul by Morente, number 19.
Hey! Wala. Steady ka lang. Kapatid, may violation yun dyan ha. Steady ka lang.
Pasa kay Rashid. Rashid, pasa kay Sales. Balik kay Rashid, pasa kay Pasig sa loob. Bumong pang kumiki, naghahanap. Ayun, nahanap si Tyler. Tyler, wala. Rebound by ni Yoch. Yoch, easy 2 points. Huwag mahangin-hangin ang gabing to. Ayan na. De La Cruz, pinababa, naghahanap. 9 seconds to shoot. May Nilo.
Ayun na!
Papa. Iba yung mga putis. Para, libre, Morente. 2 points. Pasige, dinadala ang bola. Pasige. Nagawa ng play, pasa kay Yoch. Yoch, kumenya, trumahan, pinalik kay Pasige. Wala. Rebound by Magsalas. Magsalas na wala. Bola ng Carlos. Sayang ang pasa nga lang. Kaso sa ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Wala. Ayun na kasi Pangaliban. Ang lakas. Foul. Wala ang unang free throw. Pasok ang pangalawa. 1 point. Ang score natin ay 3-8 in favor of Tories. Pasay Morente with the horse with the drive. Tamang ng ito. Ito na ang kalamangan natin dito. Pasok ang X. Fire! Wala! Pinakasay nila ko 3-on-1. Naganap, pinalik kay Corneo. Corneo with the 2 points. What an assist by the Lagos. Easy, pinagdi, babae, pinali, wala nga lang, rebound, Nilo, out, 2 points. Namang na ng 11 points ang Caris. With 4 minutes left in the first quarter. Panganiban, diniretso, pasok, huwag mo nang sasalpakan yan. Naka-waiting lang. Subtitled ball. Pangalipat, diretso na, inatake 2 points. Pinamana sa tipo ang kalamangan. Tulang Cruz naghahanap. Pasa kay Corneo, Corneo kay Morente, libre. 10 seconds to shoot. 7, 6, 5, 4. Kaso traveling substitution. Ayan na, bilis. Siguro yun. Kahit ako, hindi ko rin napansin. Ayan na, Rashid, libre, 3 points, pasok. Morente, babawi na ba ang Caris? Morente gagawa, with the drive, naghahanap, pinasa, na-steal nga lang, na-steal. Rashid, grabe, 4 ang kalaban mo dyan, 5. Pasa kay Sales. Sales, gumagawa na play, kaso na-steal. Ayan, Sales, gumabawi na din sa pasa kay Morente, 3-on-1 situation. Lamiano, 2 points. Ayan na si Silas ulit, dinadala, na-drive with the side step, pasok, grabe bawi yun. Ayan na si Nilo. 3 minutes left remaining, Morente na-drive din with the side step, grabe reverse yun. Parang nagtitraining lang. Ayan na, pasa kay Pangaliban yung double tip. Pangaliban na foul nga lang, naglamirano number 27. Sige, naghahanap pa sa Sales, deny, binigtitan, babala, bigit Dara. Nice block, kaso na-shoot na lang. Number 23 with the block. Ayan na si Blamiano. Passes to Morente with the 3-ball, with the cross, with the jumper, no good ka, boss. Ayan na si Sales. Pangalipan sa drive. Pinabangga sa loob lahat. Grabe yun. Unstoppable. Ibay na pa rin. Hira niya pa rin. Hindi mapigilan dito. Dalawa na lang po. Kalamangan ng Caris 16-18. With 1 minute left. Assist to Dara po. 3. Wala. Rebound ni Hedge. Hedge shoot outlet pass. Sakto. Kaso di nga lang sa loob. Nakuha ni Pasige. Pasige na wala bola. Ayaw Pasige na gana. Punta Cruz. Pasa kay Grabe. Pano yun. Dilakang Sinasakay ko ng Biano. Okay. 40 seconds remaining in the first mountain. Race near drop, so good. Nakuha niyo yun. First ulit. So good at tempo shot. Out of bounds. 20 seconds. Running time. 14 seconds shot clock. 18 seconds in the first quarter training. 10 seconds. Number 13. Right left. Layout. Good. 5 seconds. 4 seconds, running time. 2. It's all right, 20 on. Go there, no good. Midway shot, wala din. George Buero, lumipad na Yaku, laban dalawa, Open Dogs. Nawa ni Cornejo ang bola, binigay kay Corrente, pinag-isipan, nice break, nice defense. Bola, out bounds. Green ball. Number 16 de la Cruz, big shot, pero grabe yung violation. Cedric, pinababa yung bola, binigay kay Hodge. Swing to Magsalos Jr., 3-point shot, no good. Rebound. And Cruz, no pinasa sa kalaban. Magsalos Jr., to Hodge, side step, layup, good. No defense whatsoever. 4 points lamang na Overdogs. Ilo, binigay kay Magsalos, pero nauna yung pivot board, grabbing. Warning now for bouncing and sportsmanly. 8 minutes remaining in the second quarter. 4 points kalamangan ng Underdogs. Lucia binigay. Kayo, lumikot. George, luwaban sa depensa. Shot no good, rebound, marami. Good, grabe. Ginawang net ball. Corrente, tuloy sa oras. Crossover move, guarded by Magsalos Jr. Ginamit yung screen. 3-point libre. Bounce, no good. Pero na-fumble yung rebound. Same ball tayo, dalawa sila. Artist. Nice even, go basket. 26-22 in favor of Overdogs. Binigay kay Duce. Side step. Side step, pero nandun pa rin Luis. Corrente. Dumiretso lang na dribble. Bumali sa'yo, no good? And out of bounds. Substitution. Duce. Right. Damiano. Love pass. Stolen by Harvey. Bigay kay Morente. Morente. Lipat. Biantos. Good ang layup. Pero na lang kalabangan ng Overdogs. Outlet pass to Magsalos Senior. Side step layup. Good by JC. Substitution pang pwede. 6 minutes remaining. Nakuha ni Nilo. Tumira ka baraba. No good. Rebound by Magsalos. Cedric, bababa ang bola. Cedric, well up. Picking up speed. Well. Shooting foul. Counted. Basket foul. Number 6, foul. Sige, substitution. Masok. Extra shot for Cedric. 6, diba? Number 6 yung foul. 6.
Shirt niya kasi 60.
Ayan yung number 8. Substitution. Substitution. Ayan, pasok. Alcantara. The second, papasok. Extra shot, no good. Nakuha ni Morente. Morente. Driving the lane, left hand swoop shot, no good. Tip, nakuha pa rin ang rebound. Nice pick, kay Hodge. Pero, pwede na naman. 6 points lamang na underdogs. Inbound, binigyan kay Matthew Hodge. Hodge, dalawang bantay, tatlong bantay, pressure, kaya yung pass rin na. Pass na Pasige to Cedric. Ordering is good. For underdogs, 32-24. At siya nakalamangan. Siya over, doggy dogs. Morente, nag-knock off the play. Morente. Switch chance, dribble, hesitation, left hand, left boot. Robin. Magsalos, binigay kay Alcantara. Alcantara, tira sa gitna, bounce pass inside to Magsalos, make shot. Libre na. Oh, na easy layup. 34-26, 8 ulit, kalamangan. Ng underdogs. Namiano. Kampasensya. Swing to Abby. Back to Morente. Second shot ka. Morente nang iwan. Another hesibo. Nice pick. Rondo pero. Substitution. Lab, sige, pasok. Four minutes, 30 seconds. Starting by Morente. Morente. With the numbers. Bounce pass to Flamiano. Libre. Kuntik na mabot si Cedric. Cedric, behind the back dribble. Cedric, bumangga, foul. Continuation. No basket. Wala sa babala. Second shot clock. Cedric lead back. 14 second shot clock. Cedric, naghanap. Dito, back sa kalabak kanina. Libre. Boda easy. Yeah, for the 2 points. Papat na lang kalamangan ng underdog. George, nice nila. Libre. All along in the corner. Dribble shot. No good. Sayang. Back to JC back to Hodge. Foul. Foul. Mercado good, may Hodge. Second shot para sa Garcia for Green Boys. 5 points ka naman, overdogs, Morente. Pumelo na naman, leadership, wala. Sebo, tapik na kalaban. Namiano, inbound, binigay sa corner. Morente, libre. Morente Tinig, linapit ng corner. Shot is good, 2-pointer by Morente. To bring the lead back to 3 points. Another steal by the Irish boys. Morente, lilipat na, bumali, so good. Kabili na rin, violation. Back 32 in favor of underdogs. shot, 3 points, no good. No rebound, 23 with a ball. Ooh, isa na lang kalamangan. Ooh. 1 point na kalamangan, Overdogs. Pasige, naglalap, pasige. Giving inside to Cedric, Barnett, rightly, straight away, no good. Rebound by Morente again. Morente ang bilis. Good, bad, di pa nakaharap yun, Ludes. 35-36, last 2 minutes in the second quarter, last pass to George. Basket? Basket ba? Basket? Basket ba? Continuation. 3 points play. Possible ba yun? Substitution na shoot. Extra shot good for the 3-point play. Substitution. Two points lang kalaman ang Overdogs. Namayaro, binaba. Binigay sa corner. Baseline drive. Reverse. Foul. Rinig na rin eh. Sino ba? Ito lang. Hindi ko nakita eh. Yogi. Foul. First personal foul. Arnie Coach. First shot is good. Break the out to 1 point. Good shot, good. Online score natin. Last 1 minute, 15 seconds. Masige ba? Masige. Baka pag-ikalaro nila. 10 seconds shot ka. Baseline drive by Cedric. Reverse shot, good. Grabe, hindi nag-aarto ah. I-square lang. Outlet pass to Flaviano. Bigay kay Morente. Nice game. Pass to 13. Para good. Right. Albuquerque. 40 seconds remaining. JC, bigay kay George. Ataka na naman si George. Dinala sa ring. No good. Outside. Safe ball. Running time. 25 seconds remaining. Online score natin. Masige, tingin. Open na. Bigay kay JC corner. No good. Rebound. Ay, bola. Wala kumuha. Nako George. 10 seconds. Nice give it go to JC. 8 seconds remaining. May oras pa. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Count it. 42 all ang score. End of the first half.
Ready? Let's partner tayo ha. Hey, go!
Kata. Binigay kay Magsaros. 3-point shot. Rainbow. No good. Follow up. Wala pa rin. Arimaneos with another. Follow up is good.
Yan, yan.
4 points ang kalamangan ng Underdogs. Bigay sa corner. Bayaran. 3 points. No good. 23 follow up. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni George. George. Isa lang. Dalawang bantay. Kaya naman. Rebound. Good na naman. Grabe. Albuquerque foul. Extra shot for George. Pero Miami. Nilabas. Frente. Nilusot yung bola. Mid-range jump shot. Good. 46-44. Nadala, libre, Quick shot. Wait. Sinagot na. Fourth drive, fourth ball. Bad boys ka naman. Parang nakita ko yun. Nasa Tiago yun ah. Damiano. Pinantayan. Binigay sa corner. 2-point shot is good. Morning for unsportsmanlike. Unsportsman, di ko nakita. Ikata. Cedric, nakuha yung bola. Bilama. Cedric, binigay sa corner. Right, layup is good, but not para. 51, 46, 8 minutes, 20 seconds remaining. Morente, tinatansya, depensa, nagba, crossover. 10 seconds shot clock. Mataas, jump shot, very well, para Trey Young, grabe yun. 51, 48. Foul on number 6. Extra shot for Morente Corey. Nawa ulit niya. Peke. Jump shot. Woo! 51-50. Isa na lang kalamangan. Cedric. Side step. Bale. Good. High scoring game to. 53-50. Damiano. Nag-aantay. Barjado si Morente. Nakuha na niya. Morente. 10 seconds shot clock. Foul sa baba. 53-50 ang score natin. Morente nakuha. Drop step. 10 seconds shot clock. Lumad. Shot is good. Friendly ball. Mahirap. Lamang ng underdog. Nice steal. Nice steal. 53-52 and 6. Nagkasara, long range back, on-board rebound, at 23, nakuha ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz, nice pick! Gulo nila, wala. Malagay. Borneo is good. Nice back, shoutout. Nandito sa Patsu, parang gandang yun ah. Bilang ah. Mga astronaut. Copy yan, Lutz. Ayaw, play! Good position. Last shot. 55-54 ang score natin. De La Cruz, dribbling. 10 seconds shot, ay 14 seconds shot clock. Balik. Kaya, 57-54. 3 points naman ang underdogs. Garis, Morente. Nice defense, pero naka-recover. 10 seconds shot clock. Nice pass. Tiro. For the easy layup. 1 point na lang. Alamang. At dikit na laban. Dikit. Cedric Satterstep. Foul on De La Cruz. Substitution. Okay, sub na. 2 shots for Agripa. First shot. shots are converted. 59-56, dapat tatlo ang underdogs. Labiano to right, bounce back. Turnover. Rowley. Violation on the green path. De La Cruz. Crossover. Wala makita. Nakakanta Corrente. Corrente making a move. Side step. Passing to a cutting Nilo. Nice play. By the Paris Boys. 59-58. Nawala na yun. Labiano gumangga. Shot. Save by Torneo. Corrente. Nice shot by Corrente. Ang isa Paris. Tama na underdogs. Pagkakashoot. Stolen ulit. Corrente. Driving Lea Good. Nagkatara. Nilalang bola. Binigay kay Jose. Ay Cedric. Charles Jr. long range 2-point shot. So good. Nakuha rin pa Nilo. Binigay kay Morente. Number 9. Nagkatara. Foul ba? Shots. Second shot. Ending, binigay kay Cassius. Recovery by Hodge. And second shot na. Pasigil na naman mo na siya. No good. Ano ba? Rebound nito by Labiano nag-isa. Labiano with an easy 2-point shot. Dalawang nananip. Paris. Charles Jr. binigay. Cedric. Grabe na violation! Turnover again by the underdogs. Momentum play. Gandang depensa ng Rishka. Yeah, with the 3 points, no good. Kawali Hodge, binigay kay Cedric. Hodge ko lang. Basket! Ang tawag ng blocking. Inside. Turnover. Going out. Pangalan pa ng team. Detail. Penalty na ba? Sabi yun, no? Binigay ka kay Cedric, layup, good. Umahabol na, wala na overdogs. 1 point na lang kalamangan. Third quarter pa lang, last 1 minute for the third quarter. Lamang ng isang Caris. Need the bucket. Nice, crossover. Floater, good by Morente. Ja Morente. 64-67. Alcantara, inside up. Nice move. No foul. Rebound, tira, no good pa rin. Jones, di nakuha. Crossover by Morente. 40 seconds. Morente, pinagha. Lucky foul, Lord Magsalos Jr.
Bola dito, bola dito. Okay.
Points ang lamang na Paris. 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds. Morente. Pass to Patrick Dilo again. Block by Edge. George. Outlet pass to Magsalos Jr. Layup good. 20 seconds remaining. 1 point ang kalamangan ng Paris. Holding the match shot. 17 seconds. Morente. Magantay. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Making a move. Sixty-six, 67. Lamang na 1 point ang Paris. Paris. Corneo. Morente. Next shot mula. Yun with the rebound. Stolen by Corneo. Back to Morente. Naiwan na naman ang traveling. Pinatayang Alcantara. Libre JC. With the 2 points. Lamang na ang underdog. 1 point na lamang. Elins. Bigay kay Corneo. 30 seconds. Jump shot tiro. Wala. Rebound by Alcantara. Alcantara. Pushing down legs. Alcantara. Nice throw. Nice pass inside to number 6. Tatlo na kalamangan ng Overdogs. Corneo. Waiting for the teammate. Corneo, pick up his ball. Binigay kay Morente. 40 second shot clock. Morente, atake na naipin. 10 second shot clock. Bounce pass. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by George. George splitting the defense. Bumangga. 2 points. By George. And 2. Di ba nakascore? Ang Paris. Rebound para RB wala. RB. Good for the follow-up. 69-72. George with an easy layup. 74-69. Pass to Morente. Number 9 Alcantara, second personal foul. First team foul for the underdogs. Shooting foul, first 2 shots for Mornings. First shot, no good.
Okay, Astro. Camera.
Second shot, good. Ay, masahan yun, friend. Boston, masahan. Nakatalagas na to Jose. Jose Negro. Sliding to the lane of good George. Bumangga. Follow up is good. Kaya 6 points kalamangan. Arby naghahanap ng inbound. Hilo. Hilo with a shot. No good. Rebound ngayon. Round to Cedric. Cedric. Cross drop. Drop shot. Malakas. rebound by 23. Binigay kay Almoera. Ay, kay Torneo. Torneo, kick out. Step up. Shot by Morentes. 3 points. 76-73. Laman ng tatlo ang Underdogs. 7 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Cedric, foul on RB. Ang Caris. First team, you know? Shot is good for Cedric Ciruelo. Both shots are good. 78-73 in favor of Underdogs. Hilo, dinala. Hilo to Morente. Morente long range shot. No good. Alcantara. Nice spin move. Natuin. 40-second shot clock. Tap to your side for the easy 2-point shot. Ito na ang kalaman ng Overdogs. Bigay kay Morente. Morente with a defender hands up. Out of shot as Morente. Good. Cedric, binalik tayo. Jordan Lane. 82-73, lumobo na ang kalabahan ng Overdogs. Morente, big side step, foul! Pero, no pass. Number 6, third personal foul. Second team foul na for Overdogs, third personal foul na ni Jose. 3 shots coming. First shot goes out. Second shot no good. So, pasok po ito siya. Yung tatlong free throw. So, binigay kay Alcantara. Binigay kay Pasige. Pasige back to Alcantara. Looking for a pass. Binigay kay 6. 10 seconds shot clock. Nagkakahay na mabilis si Mac. Morente. Easy layup. 82-36. 5 minutes remaining. Jose bounce pass to number 15. Pasige. Binalik kay Alcantara. Alcantara na crossover. Alcantara bumanda. Pick out to Pasige. Pasige with a shot. No good. Robotic sana. Alcantara waiting for the defense. 3 seconds violent shot. Ang score natin 82-76 in favor of Overdogs. Morente, guarded closely by Dulce. Screen given. Morente driving to the lane. Step back. Tagatay. Step through. Wala. Alcantara to George. George ang bilis na hapon. Right, Boyaji.
Foul number 5. Basket down tayo.
Counted. First personal foul number 5. Second team foul for the Paris boys. That is good for you for the 3-point play once again. Dilo, pass to Morente. Another corner, good na naman. 8-5-7-8. Sending. Quick foul by Ikit. Ay, si Dilo. Fourth personal foul on Dilo. 30 foul for the White Boys.
David lang. Okay, go. Hey, foul ha?
Uy, foul na naman.
Hindi foul ng break.
Number 8, another foul. Warning for graduate, siya yung captain ball eh. Ay, fourth personal foul. Fifth personal foul. Personal foul.
Hey,
Foul!
holding foul number 29. Ayun na, wala.
Sorry, bro.
Kinamawin yun eh. Kasi yun. Second personal foul pala ako yan. Wala pa may plano. Morente, pick, bale, no good, recall pa rin niya. Ese shot na, make the strike. Bigay ka, RB, 5 seconds. RB, no good. Sorry ba, RB? Good yan. Sending. Nice na na. Rebound na si Gaming. Binigay kayo for the top board. 87-88. 2 minutes, last 2 minutes. Leo. Muntik na ba steal? 18 seconds, shot clock. Pwede. Flash me move. Lumayap. Wala. Rebound ba yun? Pwede ba? Number 13. Foul. Penalty. Penalty na for the Caris. 1 minute, 29 seconds remaining among ng 9 ang underdogs. That is good, boy, Uch. Albi, diretso, wala. Binigay kay Luce. Sige. Second shot lang, grabbing sa layo, walang layap. Ito sinakalamangan ng underdogs. Last 1 minute. Morente, 3 points. No good na mga ni Pasige. Eight second violation. Morente. White ball. Sino ulit makashoot, manalo. Bagong rule ni JM. Nilo, corner shot. No good. Lima Bayoch. Pupus oras. Agree pa. Concede na. 90-78 final score.